Hey, busy crafters, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. My name is Jessica, and we have a wonderful collaboration for you. That is right, it's the 5th of the month, so we have the 5 Under 5 challenge hosted by Emily with Farm Charm Chic, as well as Amy with the Singing Crafty Crafter. The links to their channels will be in the description box below, as well as the playlist, so go on over and give everybody some love. So now on to project number 1. It is spring Easter tiered tray, and so that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be doing Easter. So I got that from Amazon, that little silicone thing, and I needed a mold. So instead of trying to do clay, which would aggravate me, I just put hot glue in there and made a wonderful mold. Now the thing is with hot glue, you can bend it. So I painted the hot glue mold thingy with my Shutter Art acrylic paint, and I painted the other board with Waverly chalk paint and cashew. And then I'm trying to make this look like a miniature serving tray. So that's why I'm putting on the popsicle sticks. I was going to put popsicle sticks all the way around it, but I decided against it. So that's what we're doing here. I'm measuring out the popsicle sticks and I am putting them to the side. Now, I have seen, in my defense, guys, I have seen not tiered trays. I've seen a lot of those. But I have seen serving trays that don't have, it's just the sides. And they're like flat boards. I have seen them. It might have been in a dream, you don't know, but I have seen them. Anyways, so that's what we're doing here. And when I put the popsicle sticks down, I just go ahead and paint the popsicle sticks along with cashew in Waverly chalk paint. I just used hot glue on them. I figured between the hot glue and the paint sealing them in, we should be fine. Plus, you're not really going to be serving things on there. You know, what is it, a sushi roll that you might serve on there? Just one, maybe two. Who knows? I don't eat sushi, but that's all on you guys. Anyways, so now what I'm doing is I have fought with that purple vinyl. I fought with it, and then I don't know what happened, but I ended up losing the A. Anyways, I literally spent an hour weeding it just because it's a generic thing that I got from, it's a generic vinyl that I got from Tuesday mornings before they closed down. And yeah, I just don't like it. So here I am. You can see right there that the A just the A got lost, guys, and I looked everywhere for it and I can't find it. It might be in my hair, you don't know. I don't know either. I had to print out another A, and when I saw it, I was like on the verge of tears because it literally took me an hour to weed everything because it was terrible, guys. It was terrible. So what I do is I'm just gluing down the hot glue. That's right, I have that made out of hot glue so I can bend it to make it look like handles. I painted it with the Shutter Art acrylic paint in royal purple. That was a present that I got from my daughter-in-law and my son for Christmas. It came into an 80 pack of different colored paints. They're amazing. I love them. I don't have any affiliate with the Shutter Art, but they're on Amazon and they're pretty well. They're great paint. I never had a problem with it. So I painted my hot glue mold pieces, and then I just bent them up to make it look like they are handles. And yeah. And then of course I Mod Podged everything, and when I Mod Podged is when I noticed that the A was missing. And then I had to redo the A. So it says, "For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many." Mark 10:45. That is right. Easter, we're doing Easter decorations, but we're doing the real meaning of Easter. It's not about the bunny, it's not about the Cadbury eggs, and it's not about the robin eggs, even though they're very delicious, and I see the point of making them. That's not what Easter's about. Easter's about Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, whom I love. And I also love you guys. So I want to thank every single one of my subscribers for subscribing to this channel. You guys have been absolutely amazing to me. I couldn't be where I'm at if it wasn't for Christ and you guys. So thank you so much. Okay, so now on to project number 2. And these projects they're tier trays, so they're kind of easy. So what I did is I got that board. Now the first one, I had a lot of it in my stash, but I only paid $1.25 for it. And that was just a board from Dollar Tree. As well as this one, I paid $1.25 for it. And I got it from Dollar Tree. So I painted one in my Waverly chalk paint cashew. I painted one in my Shutter Art acrylic paint in royal blue or royal purple. What am I thinking? Royal blue, royal purple, and in pop black. And so now I just cut the vinyl off. Now the vinyl I've had for years. So the vinyl and the paint and the glue have been in my stash. The only thing I had to pay for was the board itself, as well as the first one. Everything was in my stash except for the board. I only paid $1.25 for the board. So both projects now are $1.25 each. And so I put on there, I painted them all, of course, the different colors. And in the white vinyl, on the third day, he rose again. Of course, because that's what happened. You know, he was crucified on Friday, and then on Easter Sunday, he was back. And he's coming back again. So the good news is he loves you, and he is the Son of God, and he took our sins to the cross for us, so we wouldn't have to endure that pain. And he is coming back again. We are closer more today than we are where we have ever been. So, yeah. I'm excited about these ones. They're not just Easter ones for me. I will probably keep them up all year round just because it's a reminder that what my Lord has done for me in my life. And I tell you, he saved me more times than just taking my sin to the cross. So on the third day, he rose again. And the good news is he's coming back. So let me know what you think about this one. I did 2 coats on the top one and made it a little bit darker. So I like the royal purple paint. It's pretty. It's really pretty. And if you put 1 coat on it, on the wood, you could still see the wood grain, which is pretty cool. But I wanted everything to kind of flow. Okay, so now on to project number 3. And this one was actually free because everything was in my stash. Yeah. So what I did is I just take 4 Jenga blocks that I had in my stash for many, like 2 years. Yeah, since I started the channel. And I glue them all 4 together, and then I take a little square cube that I also got from the Dollar Tree, but it was also in my stash for the longest time, and I just glue them together. Now I paint, 2 crosses in pot black and 1 cross in the royal purple, and then the base of it is going to be done in the cashew and Waverly chalk paint. And then so now I'm like, I need to cover up those holes. I was going to do a flower, but it just looked tacky to me. So what I did is I just put a white pearl on the purple cross and then 2 gray half pearls on the black crosses. And of course we know which one's going to be centered. It's going to be the beautiful purple cross. And then I just go ahead and glue them. Now these projects, they're quite easy. Come the spring, summer, we're going to get into a little bit more difficult stuff. I'm hoping and praying that I can actually do my lantern planters. Because they're pretty cool. I need some for the back deck. So yeah, hopefully we get into a little bit more complex. But this one's a little bit easy. And they turn out pretty good. Now off camera, I did put some moss on there. I don't know exactly what kind of moss that is. I just know it's very messy. Pretty, but very messy. And hold on, it's right there. It just says floral moss on it. That's all. But I put that on there just to give it a little, because, who wants to see the block? So that's why I covered it with moss. So let me know what you guys think of this one. Again, this is all tiered tray. That's why they're a little small. And let me know what you think. So go ahead and follow me on all of my social medias. The links to them will be in the description box below. And check out my Etsy shop. Hopefully, I can get some new stuff going in there soon. I'm working on some more 3D cow cups and pig cups. So stay tuned. Okay, so now on to project number 4. Now this one only cost me, I think, 69 cents. Because that little wood round was at Michael's for 69 cents. And it's pretty thick. So I painted it in my Waverly chalk paint in cashew. And then in the same paint in the rear purple vinyl that I wanted to just cry about. I got a headache because of it, seriously. It says, "Rejoice in the Lord." And I was going to put some purple like embellishments above each one, but then I got the bright idea to just do the box thing, the greenery right there. Now those were in my stash too. I got those from Walmart a year and a half ago, I believe. And I think they were 57 cents or 67 cents. They were pretty cheap. So I bought a whole bunch of them. So I have a whole box of them. And I just go ahead and glue that down using my Gorilla Hot Glue. And then I just put a little purple flower in the middle to cover up the mess. Yeah, that's what I do. And then I go ahead and take a little square block. I'm like, oh yeah, you can see that. No, we don't want to see it. So I take that little square block and I just place it in the back. And now we have the fourth beautiful tiered tray Easter decoration. But I'm going to actually use it for all year round. Yeah, because I always rejoice in the Lord. He's amazing. If you don't know the Lord, guys, get to know him. He is absolutely amazing. He has turned my life around. And I wouldn't be where I'm at if it wasn't for him. And he's really saved my life many times. And oh my goodness, the peace. Just the peace that he gives you, even in turmoil. It's amazing, guys. So go ahead and like this video, share this video with your friends, comment on this video. I do get back to the comments. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Help my dreams come true. Help me to reach my goals. Okay, so now on to project number 5. And this is the last project. And this one is extremely easy as well. So what I do is I did not paint any of the crosses in cashew. I just did 1 purple and 2 black like I did on the other one before. And then I have that macrame cord that I've had for also 2 years, I think, about 2 years. And I just glue down the ends. And we're just making a small little cross garland to go across the tiered tray. And I do have a tiered tray. It's in my kitchen. Yeah, you're not going to see it right now because I really just did not feel like taking everything off of it to stage it. So I did the best I can. But then I just go ahead and I glue the string, the macrame cord, to back of the cross so that way the crosses don't turn. And yeah, that's what I do. And then I just go ahead and do a little knot on each side of it so you could hook it if you want to put some. You can hook it anywhere. You could put hooks in the back of your tier tray depending on if your tier tray is flat or actually like a box like mine is. But yeah, I just did that. And then we can just drape it across. Just drape it right across to the middle one because I have a 3-tiered tray. So we can just drape it right across in the middle one. And it'll look very nice. Right here, I was like, should I put something on it? Nah, it's good the way it is. And that's what we did. So here it's not on the tiered tray. I have it hooked up to another project that I did a while back for Valentine's Day. I really like the way that one turned out. So I'm kind of using it for my decoration right now until I figure out what I want to actually do with it. And that's the final one. Yeah. So let me know what you think of this one. See how when it gets close to the purple, you could actually see the wood grain in it. It's actually really pretty. I did not do 2 coats on that one. Yeah, I just did 1 coat on all 3 of them. Just 1 coat. So here's the final review of everything together. Let me know what you guys think. I think I'm going a little ahead of myself. So there's everything together. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the colors? Should I do something different? How do you like my little miniature serving tray? I think it turned out absolutely cute. Another reason why I didn't put the popsicle sticks on across the top is because I really didn't want the line in the middle of it. I wanted it to look more clean, I guess. And so, yeah. And then there's the 3 crosses on the hill at Calvary. And, yeah, the little pearls. And then this little cute guy right here just sitting there chilling. You know, rejoicing in the Lord with the greenery and the little purple flower. Looks absolutely amazing. Yep, and then the little stack on the 3rd day, he rose again, amen. And he's coming back again, guys, he's coming back. And then there's the little cross garland. And yeah, there is everything together. Let me know what you guys think. I do get back to the comments. And I love interacting with you guys, and I love hearing your guys' ideas. You guys actually really do give me inspiration. So again, I want to thank Emily with Farm Charms Chic, as well as Amy with the Singing Crafty Crafter. Thank you for having this playlist. Thank you for hosting this playlist, and thank you for having me on it. I appreciate you guys so much and all the hard work that you guys do. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Subscribing really helps me out. It's free to you, and it helps me out and pushes my dream a little bit closer. So, once again, thank you so much. Remember to go give everybody some love, and until I see you on the next one, may God bless you all, and have a good night. Bye.